Daytona is making waves in the AI development space, but is it really the best platform out there? If you're looking to dive into AI projects, stick around as we explore what Daytona has to offer and where it might fall short. So, what exactly is Daytona? At its core, it's an AI development environment designed to streamline the process of building, testing, and deploying AI applications. From the moment you land on the platform, it feels intuitive, with a clean interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned developers. The workspace is organized, making it easy to navigate through different projects and tools. One standout feature is its collaborative capabilities. Teams can work together in real time, which is a huge plus for those working on complex AI models. However, while the platform emphasizes ease of use, some users might find certain advanced functionalities a bit buried or not as user-friendly as they could be. There's also a focus on cloud integration, which is great for scalability, but the specifics on pricing tiers and resource limits could be clearer. Overall, Daytona seems well suited for teams looking to innovate quickly, but may leave solo developers wanting more straightforward options. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Daytona's collaborative features are impressive, making it a strong choice for teams. The intuitive interface helps reduce the learning curve, which is a definite win for newcomers. Plus, the cloud integration allows for easy scaling of projects. However, there are some drawbacks. The pricing structure lacks transparency, which can be a red flag for potential users. Some advanced features may be less accessible, leading to frustration for those looking for in-depth customization. Additionally, while the platform is geared toward collaboration, solo developers might find it overkill for smaller projects. Overall, while Daytona has a lot of potential, it may not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Daytona is worth a look if you're part of a team working on AI projects and need a collaborative environment. However, if you're a solo developer or someone looking for a more straightforward setup, you might want to explore other options. It has its strengths, but transparency and simplicity could definitely improve the overall experience.